Hi guys, you are welcome back again, and it's another cooking video. Yes, it's another cooking video, and this egg recipe is so fantastic. You guys are going to love it, believe me. So here I will be showing you guys my ingredients, and this is my chili pepper. You all know we love pepper now, no be me, Yoruba. So and right here is my diced potatoes, and I have some chopped onion. It's actually medium size, so I chop all of that, and some cheese. We're going to be adding cheese to this egg, and I have some red and green peppers, and the eggs itself, 4 eggs, and as well as some coriander leaf, coriander. I don't know if I pronounced that well, guys, and of course the cooking oil. Okay, this is me just trying to show you the pepper again, and the cooking oil, including black pepper and salt to taste. You guys, I'm sorry I didn't show you that, but the list of all the ingredients will be in the box below this video, so you guys should go check it out. So that is all the ingredients, and we're going to start cooking. You guys, this is so yummy, like it's so great. You're going to love it. So here in my pan, like in my pot, I just added some cooking oil after the pot has heat up already. So I just had my cooking oil, and the potato will go in. My diced the potato will go in. I will just fry that for some seconds, and I'll be adding the onion. Yeah, the chopped onion that I showed to you guys. I'll add it. Okay guys, so I just added the salt and black pepper. I stir it and I cover it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, guys. Then I throw in the pepper, the red and green bell pepper, and after this I will add the chili pepper, the grinded chili pepper that I showed to you guys earlier. I will add that, and I will just stir it and cover it and turn off the heat immediately. I don't want to cook the pepper too soft. I will just turn off the heat immediately, and I will set it aside to cool down. So right here into this bowl, I will be cracking in the eggs, the 4 eggs that I showed to you guys earlier. I will crack them into this bowl and mix it together, and after that I will add salt if necessary. So okay, you guys, I will be adding an additional pepper. You all know I love pepper, like I want this to be spicy, so I just add some pepper, and I'll mix it together, and I will be adding in my potato and vegetable fry. You guys, you want to let this cool down. I don't know why I'm in hurry to add this at this time. I just added that, and I will mix it together. And here is me adding the coriander leaves. I just add it, just give it a thorough mix so that everything can mix together very well. And into my pan is placing my pan on the gas, and I will let it heat up. So when the pan has heat up, I'll be adding in my cooking oil, enough oil to help me fry the eggs. And after the oil has heat up already, here is me adding in the egg mixture. This is the first layer because we are laying this egg 2 layers, if that makes sense. So I just cover it for 10 seconds. Yes, after 10 seconds I'll be adding the cheese. You guys, mozzarella cheese is great for this. Like, mozzarella cheese is the best for this thing. So but I'm just using the cheese that I have at the moment. So this is me just spreading the cheese, and after that I'll be add the second layer of the egg mixture. This means trying to add the second layer, and I will spread it just to cover the cheese. I'll just let it cover the cheese as much as possible, and after that I will just cover the egg and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. So here is me, I'm back after 5 minutes, just trying to lift up the egg to see if the under is done. Yes, and you can see it's done. So I will be flipping it over. Yeah, I just flip that, you guys. And you guys, this looks so good. Like, at this stage, I don't know if you have not yet smashed the like button, guys. I don't know what you're waiting for. Biko, please just go ahead and smash the like button. This looks so good. Like, I love this, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it as well. Just give it a try and see how beautiful it's looking, you guys. Everything is all done at this moment. The second side, as I flip it over, it's done. Everything is well done, you guys. I'm loving this. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. So I just take it off the I take it off the heat, and I will be placing it into my plate. You guys, just look at that. Look at how delicious it's turned out, and it's very well done. Like, it's done both from inside and outside. Look at it. That's it. So yummy, you guys. This is the yummiest egg recipe ever. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.